Hello everyone, welcome to Jigyansa. I am Devasmita. So this is basically implementation time because we have already know about we have gained some knowledge regarding the cell division and the mitosis in the previous classes. So in this particular session or in this particular video we are going to practice some questions regarding this mitosis or which is related to the mitosis. So let's start. So this is cell division and mitosis, and this is the implementation time. So first question is a cell divides in order to. Here is some options given in the four options, and you can see here. This is the first questions. This is the first question. A cell divides in order to. Here is the some option like the maintain size of the nucleus, maintain bulk of the cytoplasm, maintain balance between the bulk of the cytoplasm and the nucleus. Then last option is the maintain the size of the chromosomes. So what is the a cell divides in order to a cell for which divide for maintain the balance between the bulk of the cytoplasm and the nucleus. So in case of the mitosis we have already seen that there is the both the division of the cell division, like that the karyokinesis and the cytokinesis. Then comes to second, mitosis occurs in which cells, that is vegetative cells, reproductive cells, major cells, or all of these. So we know that the mitosis occurs mainly in case of the vegetative cells or the somatic cells here. So answer is the A option, vegetative cells. Then comes to third, that is the karyokinesis, means the division of the nucleus, the division of the cytoplasm, the division of the protoplasm, and none of these. So karyokinesis, it means whenever we study about the mitosis, I think I have already share with this, that is what is karyokinesis, that is the division of the nucleus. So option is here is the right answer is the option A, that is the division of the nucleus. Then comes to question number 4, that is in which of the following stages of the cell division is DNA content is double. So in which stages, that is G phase or S phase, metaphase, or G2 phase, in which phases, that is in case of our S phase, because here is the S phase is the synthesized phase, that's why in case of the S phase the cells or the DNA content is double. So comes to the next question number 5, that is which is the longer phase of the mitosis, which is, that is the one option number A is the prophase, then second one is the metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Out of these four options, which is the longer phase of the mitosis, and this is prophase, because here is the answer is the prophase, because whenever we study about the different stages of the mitosis, there is the first stage, that is the prophase is the first stage, and this is the longest stage of the longest and the most active stage of the mitosis division. Then comes to next, that is the during the cell division the chromosomes move towards the different poles due to centrioles, mitochondria, cytokinesis, and the microtubules. These are the four options. So right answer is that during the cell division the chromosome moves towards the different poles, due to which, that is the microtubules. That's why there is a presence of the microtubules that stretch out the stretch two different poles, or to the centrioles, that is in the two different poles. This is the, so right answer is the microtubules. Then comes to next question, that is the amitosis is commonly found in case of the which, that is the angiosperms, thalophites, bryophytes, or the pteridophytes. Basically amitosis we are going to cover in the next video or the next class, that is the amitosis. So here is the question, that is the basic knowledge of the amitosis, like that these are mainly found in case of the thallophides, basically thallophides. So the answer is the thallophides. So during the cell division, nuclear envelope reappears at interphase, telophase, prophase or G2 phase. So what is the correct answer? That is during the cell division. During the cell division, the nuclear envelope basically reappears in case of the telophase. Whenever we see in case of the telophase, because in case of the telophase, the nuclear envelope reappears and the sister chromosomes or the sister chromate is getting, or the two total cells are separated from one each other, and this is the last phase of the karyokinesis. So then comes to next, that is the kinetochore divides into two during early prophase, late prophase, metaphase or the anaphase. So here is the four option, like early prophase, then comes to late prophase, then metaphase, then anaphase. So in which phase? In which phase the kinetochore divides into two in case of the anaphase? So here is the answer is the anaphase. So next question, that is the cell becomes viscous and refractive. Cells becomes viscous and the refractive for the first time in case of the prophase, interphase, anaphase or telophase. Here is the answer is the prophase. Here is the answer is the prophase, because option number A, that is the prophase, because in case of the prophase, first time the cells becomes viscous and the refractive for the first time. Then comes to next, that is the interzonal fibers occurs in which, that is the prophase, metaphase, anaphase or the telophase. So interzonal fibers are mainly found in case of the anaphase stage. In case of the anaphase stage. So before the division of the cell, the amount of DNA in it, that is half, second one is the double, remains same or the slightly decrease. So before the cell division of the cells, it means it comes to under which stage, that is the interphase stage, because in this particular stage, the resting stage we called as the resting stage also, but here is the synthesis of the chromosomes and some nuclear materials or genetic materials, there are synthesized. So in this particular stages, before the cell division of the cells, the amount of DNA basically double. The amount of DNA is double. Then comes to next, that is the correct sequence of the cell cycle is G1S G2M, M G1S G2, G1 G2S M, M G2S G1. So what is the correct sequence of the cell cycle? And in the classes we have discussed that whenever we study about the cell cycle, there is the presence of the two stages basically, that is the interphase and the mitotic phase. Interphase, that is G1 first, then it moves to G1S, then G2, then finally M. So correct sequence is, that is the G1S, G2, then finally M. So first is the correct answer. Then comes to anastral mitosis is a feature of higher plants, all living organisms, higher animals and none of the above. So which is the correct answer of this anastral mitosis is a feature of basically higher plants, because in case of the higher plants there are astral mitosis actually found, that's why this is known as the anastral mitosis. This type of mitosis is known as the anastral mitosis. So then comes to the phragmoplast is related to cytokinesis, karyokinesis, cell elongation or none of these. So phragmoplast is basically related to the cytokinesis, because in case of the cytokinesis, the first option or option number A is the correct answer. So cytokinesis is mainly related to the phragmoplast. So these are some questions which is related to the mitosis, because we have Today we have already studied about the main content or the concept of the mitosis. That's why I think this is the application of some question, then you can uh, getting better idea about the mitosis and which type of questions will be arise. So I think all of you guys know about these questions, or some you can practice all these questions. Thank you.